Hey guys, it's Beanie911 and today I'm back with another slime video. Guys, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting any more slime videos, but my mom said I have to do one since I got 2 bottles of these. My mom is holding on to one so because you know I like slime and I use all of my glue. I'm not that type of person. So I'm going to be back with another slime video. And you already know it's going down. Give that video to 10,000 likes and I'll be posting more slime videos. I might do a balloon popping slime video for y'all. So let's get to it. Today we're going to be making fluffy slime. I got white glue because some people they use clear glue. What they use is shaving cream is going to turn it into white. So. And I'm going to be making clear slime on it. So we got my school glue, my white school glue, shaving cream, and my mini thing of contact solution. And I have to get some bowls and stuff. And I try to make this for my snow. I used water and baking soda, so it should work. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to be using is some school glue. When I was little, I can imagine, because when I was little, I ate school glue. It was so weird. But it tasted kind of good. Who cares? It was kind of good though. Just swallow it out. And in my next video, I'm going to be making I just forgot. I was gonna say, a backward slime. I'll be right back. I gotta call my mom. Mommy! My mom said I can use them at her nail polish. And I forgot my spoon, so I'm just using a knife. What? My parents let me use knives. Only to make slime. Cause this little girl got clipped by using that, so I'm not that type of person. If you didn't know, guys, red plus white equals pink. Some of y'all knew that, so mostly all of us knew that. Okay. Alright. You don't have to use this, guys. I just wanted to make me a little decoration. If y'all don't know what numb means, everybody should know what numb means. I'm numbing my slime. That means when you touch it. And that's kind of what a good feeling. I don't think I'm going to numb it just yet. they make us like fun. They just had to bring slime to our world. We going up to the ground. And I'm having 10, 19 iPhones for sale. Just kidding. But I'm going to have stuff soon for sale. And it will come right to your door if you just hit that subscribe button and tell me if you like my slime. I'm always making slime and stuff. And shout out to Team Ben Moni Love, because she helped in this video. Mommy, I'm making one more slime. Ooh, so this one is gonna have to be a fill. So bye. Goodbye.